Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody had a good night rest. Well, we're going to start our morning off with our I Love You ritual. But first, I want to give a big shout out to Amina. I enjoyed seeing you yesterday. Oh, I miss you so much, Amina. Have a great day, okay? But let's start off with our I Love You ritual. You have 10 little fingers, you remember? You have 10 little fingers, and they all belong to you. They are so very wonderful. Look what they can do. We can shut them up tight, or we can open them up wide. We can put them all together and see what's inside. We can open them up and trace the lines. We can put them together, matching yours to mine. Good job. Okay, so today our question of the day is, do you know some words that rhyme? Yeah, today is our rhyming day, so I want you to find me, send me video telling me 2 words that rhyme. And when I read our story today, I want you to listen very closely because there are some rhyming words in there. Okay. Now, today we're going to talk about the letter. Who knows what letter that is? The letter D. This is a big D, and this is what? The little d. Good job. Okay, we're going to talk about some words that starts with the letter D. Do you know what that is? That looks delicious. Donut, you're right. Good job, Amina. I heard you. What is this? You're right. It's a dragonfly. Who said that? Tamia, you said that? I heard you. Let me see. These are dice. Good job. Isabella, I heard you said dice. All right. Let me see. What's that? Dog. Yes, Kate, that's a dog. And look. Mateo, look, that's a duck. Good job, Mateo. Okay, those are our D words. We're going to go over them again tomorrow. And what sound does the letter D make? Duh, duh, duh. Good job. Okay. Today we're going to read a story called I Heard, Said the Bird. And it was written by Polly Barron Behrens. And the pictures were by Brad Sneed. So it says, I heard the bird. So let's read I Heard the Bird. What is this? Yes, this is our title page. Okay, let's get started. A bird flew into the barnyard. I heard, said the bird. I heard. What? Asked all the animals. What did you hear? I heard, said the bird, and that's a new one coming. Soon the barnyard was bustling with the news. Everyone began asking, what is the new one going to be? They asked the duck, is the new one a duckling? But the duck said, no. I can get this paper. So they asked the pig, is the new one a piglet? But the pig said, no. They asked the goose and the hare, they asked the mouse and the mare. They asked here and there and everywhere, but everybody said No. How do you know there's a new one coming? Said the animals all together. I heard, said the bird. How, said the cow. When, said the hen. Where, said the mare. In the house, squeaked the mouse. And just then a little boy came out. What's going on? He asked. Well, the animals told him it's about the new one. I heard, said the bird. How, said the cow. When, said the hen. Where, said the mare. In the house, squeaked the mouse. Yes, said the little boy. Yes, what? Shouted all the animals. Yes, said the little boy. The new one is in the house. And if you'll be very quiet, I'll let you see him. Ooh, cried the animals all together. What do you think it is? Then, very quietly, the little boy led the animals to the house. And very quietly, they all tiptoed to the window and looked inside. It's a new baby, the little boy whispered. Ooh. My word, said the bird. And how, said the cow. Of course, said the horse. I declare, said the hare. And the bird heard that a new one is coming to the farm, but who could that new one be? Did you know who it was? It was a new baby. I think some of my friends are about to have new babies too. Isabella, Amina. Yeah. All right, guys. That ends our session for today. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.